about it right. I wanna know who you really are. Baby, come into the light. I wanna know you.
Hello mga kabahay, another day, another video. This time, ang ipifeature kong project ngayon is located in Binangonan, Rizal. So tara, house tour tayo. Alright, so etong unit na to na pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon is a dress-up unit only. Ayan yung magiging itsura kapag ka may mga gamit sa loob ng bahay. Pero mamaya ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung actual turnover ng bahay. Kaya sit back, relax, and enjoy watching house tour of unit model here in Aurelia Ridge Subdivision. Dito nga pala sa unit model na to is a corner unit. That's why may ganitong space na pwedeng gawing garden. But the standard turnover of this unit is just a service area. May space lang for laundry or dirty kitchen. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng ganong space sa gilid, gawin yung garden or tambayan, ang kunin yung unit is either corner or end unit. Kaya kontakin mo na ako para malaman mo kung may available end or corner unit pa dito sa Aurelia Ridge. Let's move forward to second floor of this house. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, may mga window. Malalaki na yung window niyan. Pero again, this is just applicable to end or corner unit ng bahay. And kung mapapansin nyo, 3 bedrooms na yan with toilet and bath. Actually, there are 3 types of townhouse here in Aurelia Ridge. So, merong deluxe type A. Ang deluxe type A has 3 toilet and bath. So, isa sa ground floor, dalawa sa second floor. Yung second toilet and bath is a common toilet and bath. Then, the third bath is located inside the master's bedroom. Now, let's move on to the actual turnover of this house and lot. So, pagkapasok mo pa lang, ayan, may tiles na, painted na, high ceiling na rin, with kitchen cabinet na rin siya. At the same time, ayan, may toilet, may shower na yung toilet and bath. And there is additional space sa baba ng stairs, gawing storage or kung ano man yung gusto nyong gawin. And this is the actual turnover na may service area. So, spacious naman yung service areas. Kaya, pwede nyong gawing dirty kitchen o kaya naman laundry area. And as you can see, yung stairs, napakaganda ng turnover. So, very good quality ang mga gawa ni TaylorMade and high ceiling na rin sa may part ng stairs. And, ayan, toilet and bath with tiles na rin siya. Then, this is the master's bedroom. So, napaka-spacious din ng master's bedroom. Kaya, queen size or king size bed. And, as you can see, most ng mga projects ni TaylorMade, ganyan yung type ng window. So, malalaki na para may natural sunlight. And Going back sa type of townhouses dito sa Aurelia Ridge, type B Deluxe Townhouse. May dalawang toilet and bath, isa sa ground floor, isa sa second floor. And then the type C, isa lang yung toilet and bath. Located sa ground floor. So that's Aurelia Ridge townhouse unit model. Kaya sa mga gustong makuha yung full details na tong property na to, you can direct message me and I'll send you the details. So that's it. Comment the location kung saan nyo gusto kumuha ng property. Baka yan na yung next na i-feature kong properties. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye!